Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in managing and improving the flow of traffic in Faridabad city. With the increasing population and urbanization, it has become imperative to have a well-planned and efficient transportation system. Traffic surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on the traffic patterns, volume, and congestion in different parts of the city. This data is then analyzed to identify areas that require improvement or intervention. The goal is to ensure smooth traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance the overall transportation experience for the residents of Faridabad. One of the key aspects of traffic management is the design of signal control systems, SCON. SCON design involves determining the optimal timing and coordination of traffic signals at intersections. This is done to minimize delays and maximize traffic throughput. Traffic surveyors in Faridabad city use their expertise to study the traffic patterns and develop SCON designs that are tailored to the specific needs of each intersection. By synchronizing the traffic signals, they aim to create a seamless flow of vehicles, reducing travel time and preventing bottlenecks. The role of traffic surveyors is not limited to analyzing data and designing SCON systems. They also play an important role in implementing and evaluating these systems. Once a SCON design is developed, it needs to be implemented on the ground. Traffic surveyors work closely with engineers, technicians, and city authorities to ensure that the SCON systems are installed correctly and function as intended. In addition to managing traffic flow, traffic surveyors in Faridabad city also contribute to road safety initiatives. By studying accident data and identifying high-risk areas, they can recommend appropriate measures such as installing speed bumps, improving signage, or implementing traffic calming measures. Traffic surveyors are essential to regulating and enhancing the traffic flow in Faridabad city. The need for a well-organized and effective transportation infrastructure has grown as a result of urbanization and population growth. To obtain information on the volume, patterns, and congestion of traffic in various areas of the city, traffic surveyors are tasked with performing surveys. After then, the data is examined to see what needs to be improved or changed. The objective is to maintain efficient traffic flow, lessen congestion, and improve the overall mobility experience for Faridabad inhabitants. The development of signal control systems, SCON, is a crucial component of traffic management. Finding the ideal timing and coordination of traffic lights at crossings is a key component of SCON design. This is carried out to reduce delays and increase traffic flow. With their knowledge of traffic patterns and each intersection's unique requirements in mind, traffic surveyors in the city of Faridabad create SCON designs. They want to produce a smooth flow of traffic by synchronizing the traffic signals, which will shorten